Hi, I'm Justin.
Hi, I'm Billy.
And this is Carter's Country. Today we're going to talk about the new Vortex Venom 1-6x24 new sporting mount bundle package that we have available at all of our stores. Dude, do you want to go over all the specs real quick?
Sure, be glad to, Justin. First off, it's a 1-6x24 like we already said earlier, with a 30mm tube to let more light into the actual tube so you'll be able to see your targets better. Length of the scope is 10.3 inches and weighs 19.5 ounces, so it's very lightweight and compact along the way. It is a second focal plane scope. Vortex does a great job with the amount of elevation and windage in these scopes. It's got an incredible 140 MOA of elevation and windage in these things, which for people who really don't know that much about scopes, that's a lot. Most all scope manufacturers are in the 70 to 80 MOA range on average. So you'll notice that the windage and elevation are capped to where you keep dust and keep it from being turned, actually doing like while you're out in the brush running around. So on your left side of the scope actually has the illumination dial for the intensity of the actual horseshoe type crosshair system that's inside the scope. And it does also feature the new AR-BDC3 reticle system inside it, which is in MOAs also.
Speaking of the reticle, let's get a little bit more into that. So with this BDC, you're looking at a pretty neat concept. So this entire scope is built for the AR-15 platform. 223-556. It's going to offer a 1 MOA red dot in the center. It's going to have the ability to illuminate a horseshoe around it, which hopefully will bring your eyes to that red dot, increasing acquisition and hopefully making the shooting experience a little bit faster and smoother.
Yeah, just kind of like it almost draws your eyes right to the center of the reticle.
It's pretty impressive. Yes. I mean, if you're not used to looking at it all the time.
Yeah, I've used them in the past on other scopes. And yeah. It's been great.
So let's dive a little bit deeper into this reticle. Obviously, it's a lot more than your standard hunting reticles. You're gonna have a Christmas tree effect. For every elevation line underneath that red dot, you're gonna get a 50-yard increment all the way down to, or out to 650 yards.
Correct.
Then every horizontal line on that reticle is gonna give you the 100-yard incremental element of that. On top of that, from that center line, you're gonna get a 5-mile-an-hour wind holdover that allows you to adjust for the wind by just holding the gun over, which there's probably a whole nother hour of conversation we can have with that issue. We won't bore y'all today with that. But there's just a lot of capacity in the scope to, again, quick acquisition, solid solution, and not being into a position where you have to be aggressive with all your ballistic knowledge.
Right.
Hold and run.
It's important to note that being the scope is a second focal plane scope, then whenever you're doing any ranging with the actual upper reticles or anything like that, that you would need to have the power set at the highest power at 6 power, so that the range and the reticles are in the same plane.
So real quick to go over kind of everything that comes in this actual bundle. So on top of the battery, you got your sunshade, you got flip up caps for both ends, throw lever for the magnification. This is an optional thing that you can have on or not have on. It just helps when you are in the scope. You can kind of get dialed into your actual scope a little bit faster and make it a simpler process while shooting. One of the last things in the bundle that's been added that's very helpful is your sport cantilever mount. This mount is going to be offset by a couple inches so that you do get more real estate on your rail. If you are using any other optics or devices, very helpful there. One of the things that we noticed as soon as we started playing with this actually was that they ran through and are using the same screws for the entire mounting system, which is extremely helpful.
Rings and bases both.
And you get a couple extra just in case you might lose some, which we all do lose some. Just real quick on the value side of this, you've got a $90 extra value in the magnification throw lever. You've got a $180 value in the sport cantilever. Just with these two things, you're looking at a $270 increase in value. As a whole, this bundle is about a $720 value. If you come into Carter's Country, you're gonna get it for less than half of that value. So it's a great deal. And if you're a Vortex fan, you know as well, everything they sell is gonna have a good value solution for it. So I'm not surprised to see that they've actually created a whole new solution in this bundle that's gonna be beneficial to everyone out there. How do you think that went?
I think they went very well. It was great fun shooting it.
It is. It's a cool setup with the gun as a whole. I enjoyed the shooting that part of it. The scope is pretty phenomenal for that price.
Absolutely. It's a great deal for the throw lever. The throw lever works very well as far as adjusting your power back and forth.
Yeah.
As far as like getting a little farther range, like real farther range zoom in and zoom out. It's super bright too, even on a bright sunlit day like today. I mean, you could very easily see the actual illuminated dot and illuminated horseshoe reticle.
Yeah. Very easy to use, a heck of a deal on that. Good quality setup and for a good quality deal. And as always, if you ever shot or hunter with us, you're already part of the Cartridge Country family. Until next time, adios.
The actual tube. The actual length, tremendous amount of actual elevation. I mean, that's a tremendous amount of actual adjustment. The elevation are actually capped on your left side of the scope. Actually has that intensity of the
actual lines are 100 yards. For every actual windage, every actual
ranging with the actual upper reticle
in this actual bundle, your actual magnification, your actual dialed into your actual scope a little bit. Started playing with this actually was that they've actually created.
You can very easily see the actual
smiling faces. We don't read while other people are talking. We stay engaged, happy.
Those guys who are in the market for this optic. That sounded stupid.
It's okay, I already planned on editing it out.
Is that good? Yeah. Okay. Just stop me when you're ready for me to shut up. Okay? So pay attention. The key component is pay attention.
Wow, that was fun. I really enjoyed shooting that again. Thanks, Celeste, for letting us shoot your gun.
I knew that was going for me.
Are at the same scale to one another.
Blah, blah, blah.
Believe in you.
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do we?
We're all here. Get through this together, Billy. All three of us. We'll get through it.
I think sweet. Really is sweet. Sweet.